So we're gonna take 3/4 of an ounce of Hypnotic.
Okay.
It smells like Under Armour. This stuff
Oh, I can smell it from here. That
This
smells
stuff
awful.
stinks.
Does Hypnotic go bad? You are not encouraging me to drink this.
Where'd you put the Hennessy, baby?
I don't know.
You hid the Hennessy.
I did not.
1/4 ounce of Hennessy in each one of these things. Yeah.
Hennessy and Hypnotic.
Yeah, it's supposed to be cool. Ready?
I don't want that.
No, you gotta take it.
I don't want that.
I'll just set it there. Maybe somebody else will want it. He got mad. Now it's green. Let's go. It's a green Hulk.
I'm mad.
Come on, it's gonna be delicious.
No, it's not.
Cheers. Green
I
Hulk.
don't like either one of these.
You know what? Let's go. Oh, it smells bad.
Oh,
Wow, that smells bad.
I can't make myself do that.
1, 2, 3, cheers. It tastes like the shoes.
Why did you make me do that?
I wish I could blame somebody else, but that was all me.
I don't trust you anymore.
So bad I'm crying.